Hello everybody, in this video I would like to share with you our experience in the Jungle River Cruise boat ride in Hong Kong Disneyland. Please watch till end to see the thrilling part of the ride. Thank you. Enjoy!
Alright, let's go. Turn around and say goodbye to people back in the car. Bye! Hi, everyone. Hello. Hi. Alright, before this journey officially starts, there's a few safety reminder for you guys. First of all, this is a Charles and Reefs. So if you want to go and take a ride on that backside, but unfortunately, Charleston is not at home right now. Therefore, the Charleston Treehouse and the Rock will be temporary closed for the day. So if you want to go there, maybe you can go check, but not today. So after the introduction of Charleston Treehouse, it's time to journey both away. Now the elephant is here to stop, baby. Now the elephant on the right hand side. You can see he got some wrinkles on it because he washes himself all the time. In that place. And this is the dirty elephant ahead. Just spray on us, so be careful. Oh, just table on the back, watch out. Okay, it goes down. That's great, huh? And we are now into a mysterious place and temple. Take a look, like I said, what's that? Over 20 feet. And then along the right, you'll catch them. They're very poisonous. And this is the Garland elephant in Asia and its guardians. For the one who opens their mouth means that they're very hungry. You can have the breakfast and lunch. So don't disturb them, don't make them angry. Until leading a pool of crocodiles, and we are now in Professor Porter's campsite. Professor Porter didn't lock his door. So many gorillas came in, playing with his head, bed, underwears. Oh! He's been trying to show us what Professor Porter's got. Luckily I drove so, otherwise we may get shot. Remember to lock your door before you leave your home. Call me Professor Porter. And we are now in Africa. There's so many beautiful animals such as zebras, right? So I would like to tell you a little bit knowledge about zebras. Dangerous animal in this forest. Hi, elephant. Hi. And the most dangerous one. Now in the pool of hippos. There's so many hippos down there. What are they doing? They say so to attack us. Watch out. Wow. They got a big mouth. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, guys, look, they are my friends. On that we were shine. They saw a hippo and backsided and jumped into the river. The hyenas and rhinos want to eat them. So I wonder how they originally, but unfortunately, islands and people must remain a shop.
you watched this video up to this part. Hope you like it and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.